Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here. My name is Shalise. I'm a 40-year-old mama and wife and worker bee. And my husband and I is trying to get to financial freedom. And we're hoping to encourage as many of you to join us as possible. Now, I'm not a financial advisor or fiduciary. I am your regular investor documenting their journey on YouTube so that you guys can see we can break this stigma and we can get to whatever our version of financial freedom is. So today I wanted to share the top 25 high dividend stocks yielding 4 to 10%. I know several of you asked me if I could do more videos like this with some high yielding stocks. Now I want you to keep in mind, just because a stock pays a high dividend does not mean it's good. You can lose money with investing in dividend stocks. Yeah, getting a dividend is great, but if your position is decaying, if it's crashing, if you're not getting any growth at all, right, over a long period of time, then what's the point in getting a dividend, in my humble opinion? And keep in mind, you have to pay taxes on your dividends too. We don't talk enough about that. I try to mention it every now and again on my channel about taxes. You have to pay taxes on dividend income. So again, you want to just make sure you are understanding the pros and the cons to dividend investing, though you're talking to someone who loves it. I love dividend investing, but I also understand, there are cons to it as well. And so let's scroll down. This is a website called Simply Safe Dividends. I have talked about this website many times on my channel. I think between this website and Stock Analysis, which is my favorite research website for stocks and ETFs, but Simply Safe Dividends is a great website if you are trying to hone in on dividend investing specifically. And you guys know we're trying to build up a Robinhood portfolio that's based on dividends. Plus, we get some dividends in our other accounts too. But that Robinhood portfolio is like the first account my husband and I plan on accessing when we do retire early. You may hear me say FIRE a lot. FIRE stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. It's a big movement here, not just on YouTube, but I think just across the social media space and in real life. I know a lot of people who are on the FIRE movement. It's just, building up your a financial arsenal so that you can step back from a job, or if you get laid off, God forbid, if you get sick, you don't have to stress out about finances because you have this arsenal behind you. You are your own bank. Okay. So this article was published on May 7th of this year, and it talks about, they wanted to give 25 high dividend stocks that were safe, whether it was borderline safe or really safe or just regular old safe, but decent companies, right? And I really love that this website really emphasizes on getting people to look at good companies, even if it pays a high dividend. And again, I love how it says right here, the top 25 high dividend stocks that we're going to talk about have a yield above 4%. They are either borderline safe, safe, or very safe. So I love that this website has a scoring system based off of the company, which I do love. And I believe Simply Safe Dividends have a website. Not a website, I'm on the website, duh, but a YouTube channel. If they do, I'll link it below, but I think they do. I'll link it below, and a lot of good information on there that I think a lot of beginners and just all across the spectrum, investors alike may find useful. Also, it's an investment credit. I love this investment grade credit rating, which is amazing. And, can the company produce their dividend even during downturns, which is important, right? And so here are the top 25 right here. We got them right here. So this is 1 through 10. You can see them all there. So the highest yielding on this list is, let's see, LyondellBasell. This is borderline safe. The yield is 9.04%, which is great. And this is commodity chemicals. This is maybe the utility sector. I'll go down and look at it. Let's see. Ares Capital. Yes, I've heard of that one. That's borderline safe. EPD. I've heard of that one. That's safe. Let's see. Verizon. That one. Safe. Heard of that one. Enbridge. Heard of that one. WP Carney. That one. That's a good REIT. We just don't have it right now because, again, we're trying to build up other positions. Realty Income, y'all know this is my favorite monthly dividend stock. So they have, this one is on the list. Main Street, look at this, y'all. Main Street is up here too. 5.79% dividend yield, which is awesome sauce. And this is safe as well. Let's see some of the other ones. This is 11 through 20. Let's see some of the other ones. I have heard of Canadian Natural before, and that is safe. Magna, which is automotive parts. I was looking at, or I got a question, and it really made me think more about this. And I may put this on my watch list because, like I said, right now we're building up shares in other positions. But with the tariffs on the cars and just the high price of cars, and then people are also keeping their cars longer. And I know my husband is big into cars and maintenance and fixing cars, and car parts are kind of pricey now. It's not nearly as expensive as going to a car dealer to get your car fixed. But the fact of the matter is, if you're going to buy your own car parts to fix it yourself, tools, things like that, it does cost money. So I'm just thinking about that industry a little bit, just a little bit. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight into what we were thinking about, if that makes sense. Let's see, Prudential Financial. So this is a life and health insurance company. Let's see what else. Dominion Energy, that's another good one. Safe. Look at some of the very safes. So Chevron, so if you guys are into oil and gas, I really like the energy sector overall. And I've always said that, you know, old money is into oil and gas, and that is so true. So Chevron is on here as well. Rexford Industrial is on here. This is a REIT. This is very safe as well. I may have to research this one a little bit more. Let's see. In the last 21 through 25, you have Kinder Morgan, which I have heard of. AT&T. Of course, I think everybody heard of that one. Philip Morris, which is also on here as well. So those are the top 25 high dividend yielding stocks that you see all the lists right there. I'll have this link below so that you can go ahead and take a look. And this just lists all of them in detail. So it starts with number 25, WP Carney, and it just gives you some information about the sector, which I love, is real estate. So REITs, so all of you who are into REITs, right? This is a one you may want to look into. The yield is 5.8%. It is safe, and they have had an uninterrupted dividend streak for a year, and you can see it right here. If I come down, I'm not going to be able to do everything because this video will be so long. We have heard of AT&T, so I'll skip that one. Dominion Energy, I've been liking this. Again, we don't have it, just on my watch list. This is in the utilities sector, which is pretty cool. You can see the yield is 4.90%. It is safe. It has had an uninterrupted dividend streak for 4 years. And again, it just gives you some information about what this company is about. And I really do love that this website just gives you what you need to know, and that's it. So like I said, it's very beginner friendly. And what I love about it is that I can come over here and I can track everything in my spreadsheet based off of what I'm buying, so that I know, you know what? I want to invest in Dominion Energy, how many shares we want to get, how much dividend income are we hoping to, make from this particular stock, and we can go on from there. So a strategy. This website helps you to create a strategy. Strategies are so important when it comes to investing. If I come up to, let's say, the top 5, let's do top 5. So Verizon, right here, they're listed. So 41 years, it's had an uninterrupted dividend streak. You can't beat that. I'm 40 years old. So this has been having an uninterrupted dividend streak since before I was born. So I don't know how safe you can get. Yeah, Verizon can be a little touch and go here and there, especially because of the sector that it's in. But, it is a solid company. It is safe, and it has a 6.2 yield. Now, if I come down to number 4, which is Ennis, this is like commercial printing, industrials. The only reason why this is not on my list is because, like people are going paperless nowadays. Now, don't get me wrong. I still get a ton of like junk mail in the mail and things like that. And I still use paper and things, but it's just not on my radar right now. It is a good company. It's just not on my radar right now. And you can let me know if you guys are going more on the paperless side, versus, using like physical checks. Like I like to pay for things digitally. Our bills are paid online. Our kids use apps. Like, I don't know. Coming down to number 3, Chevron. Again, this is a really solid company. 113 years, the uninterrupted dividend streak, which is amazing. It's been around since 1879. You can't beat that. It's been around a long, long while. Has a lot of staying power. And again, oil and energy. You can't beat that with a stick, right? If I come to number 2, Realty Income, I told you guys I love Realty Income. I was talking about Realty Income 4 years ago, building that our shares up. And now that we have reached our share size goal, we have moved on to building up other positions, but I love it. It is a safe REIT, so it's into real estate, which is great. It has thousands of properties across the United States. A lot of people don't realize that when you see those Walmarts, right? You see those Lowe's. Those companies rent those buildings out from places like Realty Income. They don't own it. Lowe's don't own their own stores. So I really do like Realty Income. It's a really safe and solid um company, and like I said, it's been working well for us. You can see some of its clients: Dollar General, Walgreens, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, BJ's, 7-Eleven, CVS's, let's see, FedEx, right? Walmart and Sam's Club, AMC Theater. So again, solid group of people that rent from them. And number 1 is Enbridge. Okay, this is another energy company, which I think is pretty good. They have a network of pipelines, terminals, storage facilities, and processing plants all across this nation. And not just nation, just North America, period. And so I've been looking at this company, but again, right now we're trying to build up some of our other shares. But if you have my investment planner, right, I created an investment planner. I'll have a link down to it below in the description box where I did a full walkthrough. I created it. And in that planner is a watch list tracker. So you can add companies to your watch list so that you may want to explore once you finish building your current shares. But this is a company I've also been looking at because I really, like I said, I really do like the energy sector. And they pay a really, really great dividend as well. And again, I have everything here in our spreadsheet that I can use and track to see the performance of different things. And yeah, it's been working for us so far. So let me know down below which one of these, let me just go back up to the top, which one of these high dividend companies like appeal to you the most, or rather, do you own any of these? We own a couple of them, but do you own any of them? Let me know down below. Again, I'll have the link to this website down below. They do have a paid version to this website. I use the free version. It works well for me, but if you want to use the paid version, they have some really cool features and, you know, different products that they want to offer you. But again, I use the free web version and it just works. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Smash notification bell so that you don't miss an upload every time I post a video. And until next time, y'all already know, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.